So now we will discuss about this topic, auto ionization of water. Okay, auto ionization of water. So pure water it ionizes to very small extent. जो pure water है वो ionize होता है but very small extent में होता है. And the ionization equilibrium of water it can be represented like this. उसको हम लोग ऐसे represent कर सकते हैं H2O in the liquid plus this H2O in the liquid will H3O plus, okay, H3O plus in the aqueous form and plus OH minus kind of. So, in this way, the dissociation of solvent water, okay, so this dissociation of solvent water, dissociation, dissociation of solvent, dissociation of solvent water is can be what dissociation of solvent water इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग तो pure water can be dissociated with very small extent like this we can dissociate so the equilibrium constant for the ionization okay now we'll write down equilibrium constant for the above ionization for ionization and we know that how to write down equilibrium constant that is k is written as देखो equilibrium constant देखो हमने जैसे constant लिखा था acid dissociation constant बराबर है और base dissociation constant in the same way that we will write down this constant equilibrium constant for ionization and this is written as k is equals to H3O plus concentration of H3O plus concentration of H3O plus multiplied by concentration of OH minus concentration of H3O plus ions and concentration of OH minus ions OH minus ions divided by H2O okay H2O in H2O concentration of H2O in a liquid phase okay कितने हैं उसके दो एटम्स है that's why I'm writing it as a square so how we can write down now? How we can take a cross multiplication? We can write down this as a k is equals to so k multiply by concentration of H2O okay, square times is equals to concentration of H3O ions plus ions okay and concentration of this OH minus ions. Okay. So look at this. Look at this equation once again we'll discuss here we are discussing about auto ionization of water. So water, very pure form of water can ionize to very small extent. बहुत ही small extent में ये क्या होता है ionize होता है pure form of water. And this equation we have written H2O liquid phase में है H2O liquid phase में है. It is giving rise to this H3O plus in aqueous form इसको क्या बोलते हैं हाइड्रोनियम क्या बोलते हैं इसको हाइड्रोनियम दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ हाइड्रोनियम आयन H3O plus ions are called as a hydronium ion and OH minus ions is called as a hydroxyl okay hydroxide है वो वाला okay OH minus hydroxyl इसको बोलते हैं OH minus ions तो dissociation of this solvent water this इक्वेशन हमने लिखा हुआ इक्वेशन के फॉर्म में now equilibrium constant for this ionization is written as k is equals to हमें पता है क्या है किसका कंसंट्रेशन होता है प्रोडक्ट का कंसंट्रेशन होता है कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है H3O plus ions concentration multiplied by OH minus ions concentration okay so equilibrium constant is always given by the product of concentration of the product okay both the product multiplication of the concentration of the both the products so that is H3O plus multiplied by concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of the solution okay concentration of the solution of the reactant बोल सकते हो तो कितने हैं H2O liquid that is twice okay so this is the reaction this is the equation for dissociation of solvent water in a pure form okay उसको हमने कैसे लिखा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया so this equilibrium constant multiplied by this H2O liquid phase square is equals to this H3O concentration of H3O plus concentration of OH minus okay So we will now introduce the a majority of H2O molecules are undissociated. जैसे हम लोगों ने बोला वो डिसोसिएट होता है बट बहुत ही कम एक्सटेंट में डिसोसिएट होता है. That's why the majority of H2O molecules are undissociated. So I will write down here a majority of H majority of H2O molecules are undissociated क्यों undissociated क्योंकि हमने पहले ही बोला है कि क्या होता है the pure form of water it dissociated with very less extent बहुत ही कम dissociate होता है. Okay, so the majority of molecules will be undissociated and consequently the concentration of water can be treated as a constant. अभी हम लोग उसको क्या कर सकते हैं कंसीडर कर सकते हैं कांस्टेंट करके ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. किसको कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ H2O को हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं एज अ कांस्टेंट करके ट्रीट कर सकते हैं एंड वी कैन राइट डाउन दिस एज व्हाट H2O for square concentration of H2O square we are treating it as a K dash constant. ये K dash क्या है ये कांस्टेंट है उस कांस्टेंट से हम लोग ट्रीट कर रहे हैं. वंस अगेन लुक एट दिस इक्वेशन K is equilibrium constant multiplied by H2O in liquid phase whole square. So what we have treated the concentration of look at the words constant pay attention towards the word H2O in a liquid phase. The concentration of H2O in a liquid okay concentration of H2O can be treated as one constant which is written as K dash. तो देखो क्या हो जाएगा इक्वेशन कैसे बन जाएगा ये वाला इक्वेशन K multiply by K dash K multiply by that is K dash K multiply by K dash is equals to हम लोग इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं concentration of H3O plus and concentration of OH minus. Look at this equation right now. Okay, and this concentration of this K dash okay जो है K into K dash it is known as the आयोनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर. इसको क्या बोलते हैं आयोनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर बोलते हैं आयोनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर. दिस कॉल्ड एज आयोनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वाटर. ओके and this is called as ionic product of water and which is indicated by directly Kw. क्या किससे इंडिकेट करते हैं उसको Kw से इंडिकेट करते हैं. So now putting the value of K into K dash is ionic product of water. Okay, ionic product of water Kw. So Kw is equals to क्या हो गया H3O plus ions concentration of H3O plus ion multiplied by concentration of OH minus ions. आप लोगों को पता है H3O यानी क्या है हाइड्रोनियम है OH minus क्या है हाइड्रोक्सिल आयंस उसको बोलते हैं हाइड्रोक्सिल आयंस. ओके so it is called as the ionic product of water. So the product of molar concentration of hydronium ions and hydroxyl ions at equilibrium in pure water at given temperature is called ionic product of water. So what is ionic product of water? Look at this equation ionic product of water. Okay, look at this. Kw is called as ionic product of water. Define the term ionic product of water. ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है 1 मार्क्स के लिए. So ionic product of water it can be defined as okay it is defined as the product of H3O plus multiplied by OH minus concentration in a pure liquid where this H3O plus is called as the hydronium ions concentration and OH minus is called as the hydroxyl ion concentration. तो फिर से एक बार बोलता हूँ what is Kw ionic product of water and which is given by the product of hydronium ions and hydroxyl ions which are present in the concentration okay which are present in the concentration of hydronium ion and the concentration of hydroxyl ion. ये word आना चाहिए उसमें क्या concentration ये जो है brackets is indicating concentration of hydronium ion multiplied by concentration of hydroxyl ion there in a pure form of water. समझ में आया how to define it properly? So Kw is called as the ionic product of water and which is given by the product of concentration of hydronium ion and hydroxyl ions. Okay, I hope that you have understood. This is called as the ionic product of water. So in pure water, okay, in pure water, okay, so for pure water, that will let down because we are right now dealing about the pure water. For pure water, H3O plus ion concentration is always equals to OH minus ion concentration. For pure water, H3O plus ion का जो concentration रहता है, वो क्या रहता है? Equals to क्या रहता है? OH minus ions का जो concentration है, उतना रहता है. Okay. In case of pure water, the concentration of H3O plus ion, that is hydronium ions and hydroxyl ions का जो concentration रहता है वो same रहता है pure water में. Okay. And at 298 Kelvin, at 298 Kelvin, at 298 Kelvin में, okay. और उसकी जो वैल्यू रहती है, okay, उसकी जो वैल्यू रहती है वो है 1 and its value is given by its value is given by 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7 moles per liter. इसकी वैल्यू कितनी रहती है? moles per liter. ओके, मोल्स पर लीटर भी बोल सकते हो आप इसको, या फिर क्या बोल सकते हो? मोल्स पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब भी बोल सकते हो. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. कहीं कहीं पे लीटर लिखा हुआ है, कहीं पे डेसीमीटर क्यूब लिखा हुआ है, मीनिंग इज सेम. ओके, तो मोल पर लीटर भी बोल सकते हो, कंसंट्रेशन है. ओके, एंड मोल्स पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब भी इसको आप क्या कर सकते हो? लिख सकते हो. ओके, आप उसको क्या कर सकते हो? ये ऐसा लिख सकते हो. सो This is the value. Okay, pure water के लिए जो H3O plus का जो concentration है वो same रहता है किससे? OH minus concentration से at 298 Kelvin पे. किसपे? at 298 Kelvin पे. तो उसकी वैल्यू रहती है 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7, that is moles per liter. Okay, so what will be the value of Kw, ionic product of water? क्या हो जाएगा ionic product of water? Okay, हम लोग लिखेंगे ionic product of water, that is Kw will be now, Kw will be now क्या हो जाएगा? Kw में क्या है? H3O plus का जो concentration है और OH minus का जो concentration है. हमें पता है एक जो H3O plus ion है उसका concentration कितना है? उसका concentration है 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7. तो कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग ionic product of water? तो यहाँ पे लिखूंगा 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7. Okay, 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7 multiply by 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7. क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि जो ये जो वैल्यू है, ओके, Kw की ये जो वैल्यू है प्योर वाटर के लिए कंसंट्रेशन है उसका कंसंट्रेशन कितना है? 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 7 है इसके लिए. ओके, उसके लिए भी सेम ही है, वो वाली वैल्यू लिखा मैंने. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? So this will be what? So Kw will be क्या हो जाएगा? 1.0 into just 10 raised to minus 7 and 10 raised to minus 7 क्या हो जाएगा? 10 raised to minus 14 हो जाएगा. 10 raised to क्या हो जाएगा? minus 14 हो जाएगा. Write this properly. 10 raised to minus 14. The value of Kw, ionic product of water. ओके, आप लोग गूगल कर सकते हो ये वैल्यू, ये वाली वैल्यू. So you check this value. Kw is what? The ionic product of water, and value of ionic product of water at 298 degree, 298 Kelvin is 1 into 10 raised to minus 14 at 298 Kelvin. Okay, so ionic product of water. जो आयन्स उसके जो फॉर्म होते हैं, ओके, at 298 Kelvin में वो क्या होते हैं? As it is a pure form of water, equal, okay, concentration मिलता है उनका. ओके, उसकी वैल्यू कितनी है? 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. आप लोग चेक करो उसकी वैल्यू एट डिफरेंट टेंपरेचर लिखा भी हुआ है इंटरनेट माय फ्रेंड. फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूज ऑफ आयनिक प्रोडक्ट Kw at various of water at various temperature. ओके आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वैल्यू मिलेगी so this value is called as the ionic product of water and this is called as the auto ionization of water इसको क्या बोलते हैं auto ionization of water in its pure form okay water in its pure form ionization उसका हमने जो ये रिएक्शन जो लिखा था ऐसा रिएक्शन होता है ओके उसका जो रिएक्शन होता है reaction is what H2O in the liquid plus H2O in the liquid phase okay so H3 it gives rise to H3O plus ions it gives rise to H3O plus ions in aqueous form and it will give rise to OH minus in the aqueous form where this H3O is called as what क्या बोलते हैं हाइड्रोनियम बोलते हैं क्या बोलते हैं उसको हाइड्रोनियम ions which is similar as that of H plus ions which is similar as that of H plus ions okay and this is इनको H plus ions भी बोलते हैं कभी-कभी okay so this is called as the hydronium ions H3O plus ions and OH minus ions is called as the hydroxyl ions OH minus ओके तो देखा हम लोगों ने इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट लिया पहले फिर इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट लेने के बाद वी नो दैट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द H2 मॉलिक्यूल्स व्हाट दे आर अनडिसोसिएटेड है हमने क्या लिया कांस्टेंट लिया K डैश ओके K डैश इज द मास फॉर दिस H2O